Do you often find yourself squinting to read signs or straining to see things clearly? You are not alone. Millions of seniors around the world face the same daily challenges as their vision gradually changes over time. It's natural to feel a little anxious or frustrated when reading fine print or threading a needle. But here's the good news. Losing your eyesight doesn't have to be an unavoidable part of aging. You don't have to accept a life of blurred vision or visual limitations without taking action. According to the World Health Organization, over 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of near or distance vision impairment. In about 1 billion of these cases, the vision problems could have been prevented or haven't yet been addressed. This shows just how much influence we have over the health of our eyes when we use the right knowledge and nutritional strategies. Before we explore the life-changing vitamins that can naturally support and restore your vision, it's important to understand the foundation of eye health and how small, daily choices can make a big difference. Explore the root causes of weak vision so you understand exactly what is happening inside your intricate ocular system as you age. One of the most common culprits is presbyopia, a natural condition where the lens of your eye progressively loses its flexibility, making it increasingly difficult to focus on close objects, which is why you might find yourself holding menus or books at arm's length just to make out the words. Alongside presbyopia, refractive errors such as myopia, hyperopia, and astigmatism can severely distort your vision, causing significant straining and headaches if left uncorrected. But beyond these mechanical issues, the tissues of your eyes are constantly under siege from environmental trauma, oxidative stress, from ultraviolet sunlight damage from the harsh blue light emitted by our ubiquitous digital screens, and the natural accumulation of metabolic waste products. Over decades of life, all of these factors accelerate cellular damage in the macula and retina, leading to serious age-related conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts that threaten your independence and quality of life. However, the human body is a miraculous self-healing machine when provided with the optimal building blocks, and that is exactly where targeted nutrition comes into play. By strategically introducing specific, powerful vitamins into your daily diet, you can actively boost your eye health, protect your delicate retinal cells from further trauma, and prevent the progression of debilitating ocular diseases. The first and undeniably most famous essential nutrient on our list is vitamin A, which has been celebrated for generations as the ultimate champion of eye health, and for very good scientific reasons. Vitamin A is absolutely vital for the production of rhodopsin, a highly specialized light-sensitive protein found in the photoreceptor cells of your retina, known as rods, which are exclusively responsible for allowing you to see in low light conditions or pure darkness. Without adequate levels of vitamin A, your supply of rhodopsin plummets, leading directly to a frightening condition called night blindness, where your eyes completely fail to adapt to dimly lit environments, making activities like driving at night or even walking to the bathroom in the dark incredibly dangerous. Furthermore, a severe and prolonged deficiency in vitamin A can lead to a devastating disease known as xerophthalmia, which begins with the drying out of the conjunctiva and cornea, but can rapidly progress to corneal ulcers, scarring, and ultimately irreversible blindness if it is not swiftly corrected. To maintain optimal levels of this crucial vitamin and protect the integrity of your visual system, you need to focus on consuming high-quality dietary sources, which are abundantly available in both animal and plant-based foods. Animal sources such as beef liver, cod liver oil, organic egg yolks, and grass-fed dairy products provide preformed vitamin A or retinol, which your body can absorb and utilize immediately with maximum efficiency. On the other hand, brightly colored fruits and vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, winter squash, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, and sweet red bell peppers are packed with provitamin A carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene, which your miraculous digestive system meticulously converts into active vitamin A as needed. However, because vitamin A is a fat-soluble nutrient, it is imperative that you consume these beta-carotene-rich vegetables alongside a healthy source of dietary fat, such as a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil or a handful of walnuts, to ensure optimal absorption in your intestinal tract. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our empowering health content. Moving right along, the second powerful nutrient you absolutely must incorporate into your daily routine is vitamin C, an incredibly potent water-soluble antioxidant that acts as an invisible shield for your eyes, protecting them against the relentless daily assault of free radicals and oxidative stress. The fluid that fills the front part of your eye, known as the aqueous humor, naturally contains a significantly high concentration of vitamin C, which works tirelessly to neutralize harmful oxidants before they can cause cellular damage to your lens and cornea. Moreover, vitamin C is absolutely crucial for the biosynthesis of collagen, a vital structural protein that provides strength and elasticity to the delicate connective tissues throughout your entire body, including the sclera, which is the tough white outer layer of your eye, and the tiny intricate blood vessels that supply oxygen and essential nutrients to your retina. Numerous comprehensive scientific studies have demonstrated that seniors who maintain high dietary intakes of vitamin C have a significantly lower risk of developing cataracts, a highly common and vision-impairing condition characterized by the progressive clouding of the eye's natural lens. To flood your system with this protective antioxidant, you should make a conscious effort to regularly consume abundant amounts of fresh citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, as well as kiwi, strawberries, guava, papaya, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and both green and red bell peppers, which are actually among the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin C available on the planet. Because your body cannot synthesize or store vitamin C, it is an essential daily requirement that you must continually replenish through a vibrant and diverse diet. The third crucial nutrient on our list is vitamin E, which is another powerful fat-soluble antioxidant that works in perfect synergy with vitamin C to defend your eyes from oxidative trauma. While vitamin C operates primarily in the watery environments of your body, vitamin E specifically targets and protects the fatty lipid membranes of your cells, making it uniquely equipped to safeguard the highly concentrated polyunsaturated fatty acids found within the photoreceptor cells of your retina. A specific group of vitamin E compounds known as tocopherols are incredibly effective at halting a destructive biological process called lipid peroxidation, where free radicals steal electrons from the lipids in your cell membranes, causing a chain reaction of cellular damage and premature aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps to maintain the structural integrity and optimal function of your retinal cells, significantly reducing your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, which is currently the leading cause of severe irreversible vision loss among older adults in the developed world. To harness the protective power of vitamin E, you should enrich your daily diet with a variety of nutrient-dense nuts and seeds, particularly almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and peanuts, as well as healthy plant-based oils like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and safflower oil. Additionally, avocados, dark leafy greens like Swiss chard and spinach, and certain fortified cereals can also contribute to your daily vitamin E intake, providing your eyes with the vital lipid protection they desperately need to thrive well into your golden years. The fourth significant vitamin that plays a deeply essential role in maintaining your visual clarity is vitamin B2, also scientifically known as riboflavin. This vital water-soluble nutrient is a key component of two major coenzymes called flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide, which are absolutely essential for cellular energy production and the meticulous metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins throughout your entire body. But when it comes specifically to your eyes, riboflavin is uniquely responsible for protecting the delicate tissues of your cornea and crystalline lens from oxidative stress by facilitating the regeneration of glutathione, one of the most powerful and abundant natural antioxidants produced by your own body. A deficiency in vitamin B2 can lead to a highly uncomfortable condition known as photophobia, where your eyes become painfully sensitive to bright light, as well as relentless itching, burning, and bloodshot eyes due to the abnormal growth of tiny blood vessels into the clear tissue of the cornea. Furthermore, emerging medical research suggests that maintaining optimal levels of riboflavin can significantly reduce the risk of developing age-related cataracts, keeping your natural lenses crystal clear and functionally youthful. To ensure you are getting plenty of this crucial nutrient, you should incorporate a healthy variety of dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese into your meals, alongside lean meats, poultry, eggs, wild-caught salmon, and organ meats. If you prefer plant-based options, fortified breakfast cereals, almonds, mushrooms, spinach, and quinoa are all excellent sources of are all excellent sources of riboflavin that can easily be integrated into delicious and eye-healthy recipes. The fifth vital nutrient we must explore is vitamin D, widely known as the sunshine vitamin, which is fundamentally a powerful prohormone that exerts profound regulatory effects on systemic inflammation, immune function, and cellular communication throughout your entire body. While traditionally recognized for its crucial role in bone health and calcium absorption, modern scientific research has uncovered a significant and undeniable connection between vitamin D deficiency and a vastly increased risk of developing severe ocular diseases, including age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and glaucoma. Your eyes actually contain specific vitamin D receptors, and the active form of this nutrient helps to modulate the intricate immune responses within your retina, reducing chronic low-grade inflammation that can slowly and silently destroy your central vision over time. Furthermore, vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating the pressure within your eyes, known as intraocular pressure, by promoting the proper drainage of the aqueous humor, thereby helping to prevent glaucoma, a terrifying disease that progressively damages the optic nerve and can lead to irreversible peripheral blindness. If left completely unchecked, the most natural and efficient way to boost your vitamin D levels is through safe and moderate exposure to natural sunlight, which triggers your skin to synthesize the vitamin from cholesterol. However, because seniors often have a reduced capacity to produce vitamin D topically and may spend less time outdoors, it is absolutely essential to focus on dietary sources such as fatty fish like wild-caught salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, as well as cod liver oil, organic egg yolks, and mushrooms that have been specifically exposed to ultraviolet light. Additionally, many dairy products, plant-based milk alternatives, and pure orange juices are commercially fortified with vitamin D to help you reach your optimal daily intake and protect your vision from the devastating effects of chronic inflammation. Finally, we arrive at the sixth and perhaps most surprisingly powerful nutrient on our list, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, which serves as the ultimate climax in our comprehensive guide to natural eye restoration. Vitamin B6 is an immensely versatile water-soluble vitamin that is intimately involved in over 100 different enzymatic reactions in your body, particularly those related to protein metabolism and the synthesis of essential neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. But its most critical and life-changing role in preserving your vision lies in its profound ability to regulate and dramatically reduce the levels of homocysteine in your bloodstream. Homocysteine is a naturally occurring amino acid that, when allowed to accumulate to dangerously high levels due to poor diet or genetic factors, acts as a highly toxic agent that heavily damages the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, promoting chronic inflammation and the rapid formation of dangerous arterial plaques. This vascular trauma is exceptionally detrimental to the tiny, fragile microvascular network that supplies essential oxygen and nutrients to your retina. Elevated homocysteine has been strongly and conclusively linked to a significantly increased risk of developing devastating vascular occlusions in the eye, as well as accelerating the progression of age-related macular degeneration. By ensuring a robust and consistent daily intake of vitamin B6, often working in perfect synergistic harmony with vitamin B9 or folate and vitamin B12, you can effectively convert toxic homocysteine into harmless beneficial substances, thereby protecting the structural integrity of your retinal blood vessels and preserving your precious eyesight. Moreover, adequate vitamin B6 is also essential for maintaining the proper balance of fluids in your body and has been shown to help alleviate the chronic, frustrating symptoms of dry eye syndrome, a highly common complaint among seniors that causes persistent stinging, burning, and a gritty sensation that makes reading or watching television nearly impossible. To flood your system with this crucial vascular protector, you should actively seek out nutrient-dense foods like chickpeas, which are exceptionally high in pyridoxine, as well as lean poultry like chicken and turkey breast, cold water fish, bananas, dark leafy greens, potatoes, and a variety of fortified whole grains, ensuring that your body has the exact biochemical tools it needs to clear out toxic homocysteine and keep your retinal arteries wide open and flowing with life, giving blood. In conclusion, reclaiming your visual health and breaking free from the fear of declining eyesight is entirely possible when you empower yourself with the right nutritional knowledge and make proactive, conscious choices. about the foods you consume every single day by specifically targeting these 6 life-changing vitamins: vitamin A for rhodopsin production and night vision, vitamin C for powerful collagen support, and antioxidant defense, vitamin E to protect your lipid membranes from peroxidation, vitamin B2 to shield your cornea and regenerate, glutathione, vitamin D to crush ocular inflammation and regulate eye pressure, and vitamin B6 to eliminate toxic homocysteine and preserve your delicate retinal blood vessels. You can naturally restore your eyes and enjoy a vibrant, independent life full of clarity and brilliant color. However, it is absolutely crucial to remember that while this educational information is rooted in scientific literature, this video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute professional medical advice. You should always consult with your personal physician or a qualified ophthalmologist before making any significant changes to your diet or beginning any new dietary supplement regimens, especially even if you are currently taking prescription medications or managing existing health conditions. Remember that your eyes are complex, miraculous organs that deserve the gentlest and most attentive care. They help you experience the beauty of the world every single day, and protecting them should always be a priority. Embrace a holistic, vibrant diet filled with essential vitamins and nutrients that naturally support your vision. Be mindful of your environment. Protect your eyes from harmful exposure, give them the rest they need, and take small, intentional steps each day to support your eye health. Every effort you make is a gift to your visual longevity and overall well-being. If you found this deep dive into the science of eye health helpful, empowering, or inspiring, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with friends or family who might also benefit from learning how to support their eyes naturally. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Your eyes are precious, and so is the knowledge to keep them healthy. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we will continue to explore the amazing healing power of natural nutrition and how it can help you live a fuller, clearer, and healthier life.